how to disable ad blocking on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable ad blocking on Opera Mini. First we're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this Opera icon here in the bottom corner and then click this one and then just go down until you find this one here, ad blocking, and click on it and then click this one. And as you see now, ad blocking has been disabled. And that's it for today's video. That's how to disable ad blocking on Opera Mini. It is of course. And if you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.